Hi, I'm Kent Sweeting from Queensland Orthotic Lab, and I'd like to introduce you to scanning for the Richie Brace. You no longer need to cast for the Richie Brace with our latest innovation, making it easier to prescribe Richie Braces for your patients. We're able to digitally model and 3D print the Richie Brace, giving you unrivalled accuracy and assurance in prescribing the Richie Brace. To begin with, you require three things. Firstly, the structure sensor camera from Occipital. Secondly, a compatible iPad. And thirdly, you just need internet connection. On your iPad, you want to ensure that you have 3D Size Me downloaded with the bundle ID set as QOL001. For further settings, please refer to our website qol4feet.com.au. So when you're ready to scan your patient, the first thing you're going to do is set your patient up with their foot in subtalar joint neutral and the mid-tarsal joint fully pronated, just as you were if you were taking a foot orthotic scan. This is a critical step for scanning for the Richie Brace. We're unable to accept scans where the foot hasn't been positioned correctly, as this will lead to inferior patient outcomes, and we will ask you to scan the patient again with the foot in subtalar joint neutral and mid-tarsal joint fully pronated. Please don't ask the patient just to hold the foot. Again, we'll ask you to rescan the patient if you send us a scan without the foot properly positioned. Our preferred method of setting up the foot is with our ScanMate. The ScanMate allows you to perfectly position the foot and can be used with the patient prone or supine. Alternately, you can use an assistant to help with the scanning process. Just load the foot like this and get your assistant to use the iPad to take the scan. Once you have the patient's foot in the correct position, you want to put a little dot of semi-compressed felt on the inferior tips of the medial and lateral malleolus. You just want to use a bit of felt that's about 5 to 10 mils in diameter, about the size of your little fingernail. The felt's about 5 mils thick and that will come up nicely on the scan. Now it's critical that these go on the inferior tips of the malleoli, not just at the widest part. In most patients, the inferior tip will be about 10 to 20 millimeters lower than the widest part of the malleolus. So now, once your felt's on, you're right to start scanning. You want to open My QOL and select New. Then go through and fill out each section for the patient, and obviously you want to select Richie Brace as the order type. Select left foot, right foot, or both feet. Once you've filled that out, you want to select Scan Now, and it will automatically take you through to the scanning app. You can resize the foot outline using the toggle bar at the bottom, and you want to be about 50 centimeters back from the foot. Start the scan and pan the camera around to ensure that you get the plantar surface, the posterior heel, the medial and lateral borders, and you've definitely captured those felt dots on the inferior tips of the malleoli. Once you've completed your scan and you're happy that you've captured everything, just take a few seconds to review your scan, then you can press the Submit button at the top. Once that's been submitted, it will automatically take you back to the Richie Brace prescription, where you will fill out your script as you normally would. So to summarise, load the foot as you normally would if you were taking a foot orthotic scan, place the felt dots on the inferior tips of the malleoli, and finally, ensure that you've captured all the surfaces of the foot and lower leg for us to model your Richie Brace.